Hello everyone, my name is Ikita Chadigiri Putra. I'm student of Royal Bali College majoring Butler Service Diploma 2. And now I will explain you step by step how to make animal towel and animal art. So check it out. For the first towel, I will make a bear towel. The first, fold the bottom of towel and also do the same at the top of the wall. And next, roll the left side of the towel to middle. And do same for the left side. And after that, fold the towel like this. And the body of bear is ready. And now I will make a head of bear. The first step is fold like this, and then make a corner in the middle and flip, and just roll until the top. And don't forget to make a noose of. Alright, bear towel is ready. And second, I will make a dog animal towel. For make a body of dog animal towel, you just roll the right side to the middle and roll left side of towel to the middle. And the next, you just fold like this. And you can see the point of the towel. You just pull the point of towel to right and left side. And the body of dog is ready. Next, for the max head of dog animal towel, you need a hand towel. And the first step is fold the towel like this, and then pull the right side and left side. Don't forget to fold on the top. And now just roll to left from the right side to the middle and left side to the middle. Head of dog animal towel is ready, so the last is put in the bottle. Alright, the dog animal towel is ready. For the third, I will make a pickle. And for the first step, press the middle and roll the corner to middle. And do the same for the left side. And pull the head back to the tail. The body of the peacock is ready. And for the tail, I am using hand towel to make a tail. First, fold like this. And then you just put in the body of peacock. Alright, the peacock is ready. And for the fourth, I will make an elephant animal towel. First, fold the bottom and the top of towel. after that, you roll the right side to the middle and left side to the middle. And after that, you just fold like this. Alright, the body of elephant is ready. And for make a head of elephant, you did using the hand towel. And for the first step is press the middle and roll corner to middle. And pull the middle of roll to the bottom and put the head at the body of the elephant, and the elephant animal towel is ready. And for the fifth and the last of the towel art, I make a welcoming human. First, I will make a body of welcoming human using a bath towel and one hand towel. First step is roll right side to the middle and left side to the middle. And fold like this. And I using a hand towel for make a belt for the body of human. And then pull the point of towel. And the body of human is ready. And now I make a head of human. The first is fold like this. And then you just roll it. And hold the fold like this. The head of human is ready. So you just put on the body of human. Alright guys, that's all about my video about animal towel and towel art. I hope you enjoy watching my video and see you next time.